Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have KUN here with the song called Deadman. I'm not sure if that is the same person as KUN. Anyway, KUN is this man here singing as a dead man, and I like this song very, very much. I liked how they performed there in the video, but also the song by itself. So anyway, let's go and learn this song. And we have a couple of chords to handle here. They are 8, but it's very straightforward when it comes to playing, so don't be afraid, shy away. Let's learn it now. So we have the capo set on 4th fret. That's the absolute best scenario in my opinion. Let's go over the chords, and we're gonna start with G. So G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Next is the B7. That's a bar chord. We'll place the index finger on the 2nd fret. You have the 5 first strings if you count from bottom and up like this. You have to push them down, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. That creates the B7. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And speaking of E, we also got that chord. So the E major, you just from the E minor add the 1st fret G string. Okay, instead of having it open for E minor, you just have the 1st fret G. Everything else is the same. That creates the E. Then we have the C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D next, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have the A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and the final chord is the C minor. That's a bar chord, and you place the index finger now on the 3rd position, and you push down the same 5 strings as for the B, and then you need to add 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Alright, so I mentioned very straightforward when it comes to playing, and it is. So if you grab the 1st chord G, we're gonna go through the strumming now, and it's about 6 downs, like this. And I want to highlight the 4th down in the way that I'm playing on the higher strings. On the 4th, all the other downs, you play a little more in the bass mid area, so like that, okay? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want, you can replace that 4th down with a clap instead, because that's where the beat goes, the rhythm. So it will sound like this. You could go that route, but I want to teach with this just 6 playing downs, and that is how I would choose to play this if I would perform it. So I'm going to teach with the 6 downs. Now let's go into the actual song. With the first verse, you're going to play G2, then B7, 2 string rounds, then E minor 1, C1, and D2. That is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play for 2 rounds in this first verse. So let's do 1 round together. G, G, B, B, E minor, C, and D, D. And 2nd round starts right there. I think you got the idea there, and yeah, that's the first verse. 2 rounds of that. Pre-chorus starts about 50 seconds in. Please don't. That's where we are in the lyric. You're going to continue, of course, the same strumming throughout this song. And now you're going to go to the B7, play 2 strum rounds there, then the E2, then A minor 1, C1, and D2. You play for only this 1 round. Let's do that together. B, E, A minor, C, and D, D. And that's a pre-chorus. Now into the chorus, 1 minute and 5 seconds in. If it was up to me, that's where we're on the lyrics. Now we're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord now in the order G, B7, C, and C minor. So that is 1 chord progression round. G2, B7 2, C2, C minor 2. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together, starting with G. Second round starts with G again. Yes, so we finished the first round and it's pretty much repetition from now on. You have the second verse. It's played in the same way, but it's half as long. Only 1 round of that G, B7, E minor, C, and D. That takes us to the second pre-chorus, played in the exact same way as the first one. No changes there. And the same goes with the second chorus, played in the exact same way as the chorus we just learned. After that comes the bridge/solo part. We're now about 2 minutes and 43 seconds in. What you're going to do here is to play a verse play for only 1 round. Okay, so G, B7, E minor, C, and D, 1 round, and that is the bridge solo part. After that comes the final parts of the song. You're going to play the third pre-chorus, play in the exact same way as the previous ones. And then you're going to finish off with the third and final chorus. That is played exactly in the same way as the other choruses, 2 rounds. And then after you play that 2 rounds, you're going to end with 1 down on that beautiful G chord. And that's it, my friends. So we have learned Deadman from KUN. And yeah, if you know who this person is, KUN, then leave me a comment here. Maybe it is KUN. I'm not sure about that. If you know it, then please let me know. And yeah, if you like this tutorial, please thumb up and like it. And perhaps consider subscribe to this channel. That would be great. Thank you for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.